How to reset OBS settings to default. If you want to reset OBS Studio settings to default, this video will show you how to completely restore OBS to a fresh setup. First, make sure OBS Studio is completely closed on your computer. Now, click the Windows search box, type Run, and open the Run app. In the Run box, type %appdata% and click OK. This will open your app data folder. Find the OBS-Studio folder and double-click to open it. Now, select all the files and folders inside. You can press Ctrl+A to select everything. Next, press the Delete key or click the trash icon to remove the selected files. Once you've deleted the OBS configuration files, close the folder and launch OBS Studio again. OBS will now create a fresh configuration and start with its default settings. This method can help fix OBS settings issues, configuration problems, and OBS Studio errors by giving you a clean starting point. That's how you can reset OBS settings to default on Windows. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.